Well, hello there. Sick ass BLG. Just getting over being deathly fucking sick. Ugh. Starting to get over it anyway. Anyways, welcome back to another exciting episode of Hands On with BLG. I'm BLG. I'm lefty. I'm righty. And, don't need that on. Today, we're going to be doing another kitchen gadget test. What have we got here? The Sunbeam Controlled Heat Automatic Fry Pan. Look at this bad boy. Look at that. That's what it looks like. It's electric. Plug it in. See, it plugs in there. It's got the cord and everything. It's got little dials. Light indicator. This is temperatures. Little lid with a vent thing. Electric skillet. I'm going to try it out. See if it works. I'm going to make taco meat. I'm going to have tacos for supper tonight. Pound of hamburger. Whatever the package of this stuff is. 2/3 of a cup of water. Then I'm going to use this pot and strainer for a strainer. Here's what the gumball machine turned out looking like. There's the back of it. I got it all finished. All the parts I ordered came in. There's the front. Came in all nice. It's all nice and bright red now. See the 5 cents? That's the original sticker. It took forever to find that stupid thing. An original Northwestern Model 60 sticker. The chrome all polished up. I did not replace this. I want to leave some of it looking original. But I polished up all the chrome yesterday. Looks good. See? Northwestern. Right here, Morris, Illinois. Etched into the glass. But that's what it came out looking like. It's a good looking gumball machine, huh? It said anything gumballs up to 1 inch. I got M&M's in it right now. M&M's. You might be able to hear I still sound all nasally and shit. Hacking and stuff. But anyways, let's get this show on the road, shall we? It says on here, it's got all these little things. It's really cool. Get this water out of the way. It says on the handle here, all these different things. It says what food and what temperature. Bacon, 340. Eggs fried, 300. Eggs scrambled, 320. Pancakes, 380. Hamburgers, 360. Ham, 340. Potatoes, 320. Fish, 380. Sausage, 300. Pork chops, 360. Minute steak, 420. Liver, 360. Ooh. French toast, 360. Fried chicken, etc. See the recipe book, which I do not have. It's not with it. So we're going to go hamburgers. We're going to go 360. 360 is over here. 340. 360. 20-degree increments on this little thermometer thing. It even has 1, 2. It even has 4 warm settings. That's kind of cool. Before it even gets to 200 degrees. Okay, so 360. I guess we let it heat up. Are you doing anything? No, man. I ain't doing shit, man. Give me some time. It takes time to get hot. Alright. Well, I'll see you guys back here when this thing gets warmed up. Is this even open? It's kind of stuck. I'll bet with a little bit of monkey work. Yeah, it opens and closes. It's just a little stiff. It hasn't been used forever. As far as I know, I don't fucking know. Let's see if it's even getting warm. Oh yeah, it's actually working, folks. I don't know if the light goes out when it reaches temperature or not. We're about to find out. See you back here when that is at 360 degrees. Or on fire, which I'll take a quick video of my escape. Woo! Camera freaked out. I lost a little bit of footage. Anyways, I don't know what I lost, but 306 degrees, a little light came on. It heated up. It heated up in just about maybe 3 to 4 minutes. 3 minutes, something like that. Put the burger in here, 1 pound of burger. Love the room in the pan. That's really nice. And believe it or not, this burger browned up in, probably about 5 minutes, maybe 4 minutes, 5 minutes. I'm digging this. Okay, now we're going to strain this out. It says it's strained out. I don't feel like unplugging everything. See how this goes. This ought to be good. Actually, not bad. Kind of use Mr. Cowboy spoon. That's me. Scrape this oil out of here. There we go. Alright. Put our burger back in. Yeah, that's strained out real good. Alright. That goes over here. Then it says we add 2/3 of a cup of water. Oh no, I can't get in here. And we add our packet of taco seasoning mix. Like that. Alright. Scrape that out of the damn way. Yeah, wait. Mr. Cowboy Spoon, would you do the honors of stirring? Well, yes, BLG. I'd love to. Hop in here, stir this around. It says to continually stir until everything gets thick and taco seasoning, taco meaty. Stir it until the water kind of evaporates, I guess. Keep stirring, continual stir. Alright. Look at that, folks. I got room to stir too. I'm really digging this thing. This is cool. I think this toy is going to get moved out to the motorhome in case we run out of propane while we're out camping sometime. This is really cool. Stirring it around, stirring it around. Alright. Looking good. I'd say if you travel a lot, you stay in a lot of hotel rooms, smuggle one of these with you. and do your own cooking. No cooking in the rooms. Yeah, okay. This is really cool. I'm digging it. I didn't think much of it, but I like it. Probably pick one up at the thrift store for $5, $10, somewhere like that. Look at that. Plenty of room to stir. Hardly making a mess at all, other than just me being sloppy. Yes. This is going to move out to the motorhome, I believe. This is really cool. I think I was more afraid of cleanup. I don't think that's going to be bad. You can't put these in the dishwasher or in water. You just got to clean the inside here, but that's not going to be so bad even. It's got the lid. If it got splattery food, you got to put the lid on it and stuff. Hey, yeah. You could probably poach an egg in this damn thing with the lid. Put some water in here, bust your egg, smack the lid on it for a couple of minutes, poach up a damn egg. All kinds of neat things to think you could do. Yeah, this is badass. I like it. I like it. Good gadget. Good gadget. Sunbeam. Controlled heat automatic fry pan. Gotta love it. This is Thursday the 20th. I get to go like get questions and stuff by the long arm of the freaking law and stuff today at 2 o'clock. Again, about the same case. That's alright. I've got nothing better to do, I guess. Next week I get to go to court someday and testify. Testify. Get the demons out. We'll get that all out of the way, and hopefully I don't have to go back to court over this time. Because I don't see the point. I don't know what they want from me. What do you want? I'm not an animal. Oh, yes. I'm going to say that is done, folks. Done as it's going to get. The rest of that's grease. So I'm going to shut the pan off. Set Mr. Cowboy Spoon down. We're going to shut the pan off. You just turn the dial here backwards. All the way back to there, and it's off. We'll unplug him. There we go. See, the plug's got the old school. These old plugs like this, you used to be able to use them on several different things, like irons and these electric things, waffle irons, all kinds of different products could use this kind of old plug. Yep, I learned that the other day. It was kind of cool, kind of interesting. Okay, so now I'm just going to let that sit in there and cool off. And then I'm going to transfer it into I guess, Ziploc bag. Does that sound like little grumbles of thunder? Oh, no, this is Thursday. I don't know why it's grumbly out. It ain't supposed to rain, 20% chance. Today and tomorrow. We're back into the, come back here. Well, we're back into the freaking 90s starting today. 90, 90 tomorrow, and then 93, 92, 93, and 94. Yeah. But anyways, somebody's beating around on something, I guess. I don't know. But, yeah. Heard the thump music going yesterday. I was in watching YouTube in the man cave. Actually able to sip a few beers, not many. A few. I withered away from 239. I'm down to 230. Not just from being sick though. I've been working on it. I got down to 234, 235, and the rest of it's from being sick. But I'm in there, and I hear the thump music all over the fucking place, loud as fuck. And I'm like, okay, what's going on? So I stand up, I peek out the fucking window. I'm looking for a minute. And over yonder that way, here comes an unmarked patrol car. Unmarked, but it's got the push bars and all that crap. But it was a good looking car, kind of copper color. I'm like, okay, cool, get him, Sheriff. And he goes on down this way. And then from this way, here comes a county sheriff's. Whoop, he stops. He turns and goes back that way, where that cop came from. And then here comes another cop from this way. And he stops and goes that way again. And then another cop comes down from this way. And he stops and goes that way. And then another cop comes around. And they come back from that way. And he comes back up this way. I did the smart thing this time around. I got my judge out, my Taurus judge. It's got 5 rounds of .45 Colt. And I stood watch guard over my fucking house for probably a good hour and a half. Waiting for another fucking gunfight or some fucking criminal asshole to step into my fucking yard. In my yard, bitches. There is a stand your ground law here, rule down here where if you can shoot them in your fucking yard if they're threatening you in any way. But anyway, I'm gonna let this cool off, and we're gonna do a cleanup on this real quick and show you how easy this is going to be to clean, or we're about to find out how easy it is to clean. I'll see you guys back here when that cools off in probably, I'd say 20 minutes or so. Yeah. Welcome back, everybody. Welcome back. Welcome. You. Welcome back. Mr. Cotter. Welcome back, Cotter. Dreams and stuff. Welcome back. Mr. Cotter. Ooh, Mr. Cotter. Mr. Cotter. Ooh. No? Oh, well. You might be old enough. Anyways, let's see how this thing cleans up. What's really cool, it's really thick aluminum. We can use a scratchy thing in it, I think, if we want to. So I got some hot water, some warm water here. I'm just going to hold it above the sink like in an angle. Scratch around, I guess. See what it comes out. So far, I'm digging it. Nice and easy. Scratch around, scratch around. Yeah. Looking nice. Looking nice there, mate. Look at that. Little spot right there. Yeah. Get out. Bastard. Get out of that pan. Okay. Let me just do this. Give them a quick little easy rinsey. There you go, folks. That quick. Rinse it out the sink. And you could probably set that upside down and drying rack to dry. Nothing got in it. Dry them off. I'm just going to set that to dry the rest of the way. There you go. Clean up that fast from greasy food. I dig this. I really do dig this. Look at that. All that crap came right out of there. In fact, I gotta let that water out. Let my water go, or I'll put this stick on the ground and you'll be fucking sorry. Oh, wait a minute. That's Moses' people. Oh, well. Sometimes you gotta try, you know. Comedy's not easy these days. Everybody's heard every fucking thing. So anyways, let me get this all rounded up here. There's this. Here's this. The cord, the pan. There she is. The Sunbeam controlled heat automatic fry pan in its complex completery set. Probably pick them up at the thrift store, like I said, $5 to maybe $12, $10. This one's been around forever. I don't know. We've had it for, oh God, since we got together anyway. It's been over, what, 17 years? 18 years, I think we've been together all together. 18 years or so. 18 and a half. Married for 17, I think. 2000, what, 2 to 12 is, what the fuck is that? That's 10. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. 17 years we've been married. And that thing's been with us the whole time. And never touched. So there it is, touched. And I give this, I'm going to give this 4 out of 5. That damn good. I am highly impressed. And if you find one good and cheap at the thrift store, take the chance on it. That's nuts. Our non-stick frying pans didn't clean up that damn easy all the time. And you can use metal in it and flip things. And I like the depth. I like the depth. You saw it held the whole pound of burger. You could stir anything, whatever you want, easily, very easily. I'm going to experiment with some more stuff with it, but it's moving to the motorhome. It's definitely going to the motorhome. So anyways, I hope you enjoyed this episode. Hands on with BLG. For Hands on with BGL. It's raining. I just said it wasn't going to. For Hands on with BLG. For BLG, I am BLG. I'm Lefty, and I'm Righty. And it's darker than fuck again, and raining. Oh, 20% chance that it might rain. That was thunder we were hearing. Oh well, we'll see you guys back here next exciting episode. Peace! Goodbye! Hands on with BLG. You never know what you will see. Oh, yes sirree. Hands on with BLG. Stick around.